Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to cash out on BetMGM. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in BetMGM. Once you press enter, you will get these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it will ask you to select your location. From this list, select your location. And once you're on the home page, log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on this register button. And if you already do have an account, click on this login button. Once you click on it, it will ask you to enter your login details. So go ahead and enter your credentials. And once you do so, click on this login button. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to recover it. Once you click on the login button, you will be logged into your account. And now let's say you have placed a bet on some matches and you have won those bets. After you win those bets, you want to cash out and you don't know how to do it. So let me show you a step-by-step process to cash out. First of all, you'll have to click on your profile at the top right corner. Then it will show the amount in this section where it says withdrawable. That means that amount can be cashed out. To do so, click on this withdraw button. Then it will take you to another page. Now on this page, on this right hand side, you'll have to enter the amount in USD and then select your account number. Once you do so, you will get to click on this withdraw button, and on the next page, they will try to verify you. And once you have been verified, you can cash out the amount. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.